Hey, it's Scott Young here. Promoting toy affiliate programs is a great method to make money online and write about the greatest kids' toys all day. Despite its cuteness, the global toy industry is huge money, and by 2027 it'll be worth about 104 billion, up from 92 billion in 2019. That's a lot of Pogs and Tamagotchis, or whatever those kids are calling them nowadays. It makes sense in North America because parents spend over $300 per child on toys each year. So whether you've got a parenting site, a baby specialty blog, or have a target demographic of older kids, aka adults, who adore toys, there's always a whole lot of chances for affiliate marketers in the toy sector. So let's start with our top kids toys affiliate programs. But before we jump into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more great affiliate marketing ideas. Innova Toys is the first retailer we'll look at. It offers a wide range of strange and uncommonly unique collector toys, gadgets, and presents with a focus on modeling kits. With prices starting at just $6.95, the online store offers more than 300 models from popular franchises like Star Wars, Star Trek, and Harry Potter. With no minimum purchase necessary, Innova Toys offers free shipping on all orders within the US. That is a powerful selling factor that affiliate marketers can use. When it comes to affiliates, the Innova Toys affiliate program offers a respectable 8% per sale commission. There's a good earning potential with an average order of $80, and the company's internal development staff is happy to provide guidance and marketing materials as needed. The program has a somewhat meager one-day cookie window, which is a drawback, but no worries if the referrals make an immediate purchase. However, if they would prefer a little more time for thought, you run the danger of losing your well-deserved commission. Next up is Crayola. It's one of the most recognizable toy companies in the world. The company is well renowned for its extensive line of colored crayons, which it produces in nearly 3 billion units annually, or enough to wrap around the globe 6 times. However, it goes beyond merely crayons. The website offers a dizzying selection of drawing supplies, including markers, mess-free color wonder markers, and creative makers for young children who want to experiment with color mixing. Oh, and Silly Putty, everyone's favorite, is also made there. There are many positive aspects of Crayola's affiliate network, especially with all the high-quality products it offers. Its terms and conditions aren't too bad either, which is unusual for a well-known brand, with a respectable 5% commission rate and a 14-day cookie window. Through Affiliate Management Solutions, a third-party business, Crayola provides specialized affiliate management. Additionally, it frequently offers rewards and discounts to customers and affiliate marketers. Toy affiliate programs are probably not for you if you have no idea what Lego is. It was ranked as the top toy brand in the world in 2021 and had an estimated market value of $5.4 billion. Ole Christensen founded Lego in 1932, and since then it's been one of the most well-known toy brands. Its reach is truly global, as evidenced by more than 20,000 employees it employs across more than 40 nations. For a business that sells little plastic blocks, that's not bad. Unsurprisingly, among the toy affiliate programs we've studied, the Lego affiliate program doesn't offer the largest commissions. You'll receive a slightly below average 3% of each sale, and the cookie window is just 7 days, so it's quite short. Positively, you shouldn't have an issue sealing the deal because Lego is such a well-known brand. Additionally, you can obtain top-notch promotional resources like banner ads with the Lego logo to make your task even simpler. Next up is Fun and Function. Children's occupational therapist Aviva Weiss and her husband Haskell founded Fun and Function in 2005. The business makes toys, therapeutic products, and clothes for young children to help them develop their talents and self-worth. It offers a pretty wide variety of products ranging from ball pits and crash pads to sensory boards and speech aids. Even building full sensory rooms for young children is assisted by the website for parents and schools. If you think that sounds like a feast for the senses, wait until you've seen the affiliate program for Fun and Function. It provides a lengthy 90-day cookie window and pays a generous 10% commission rate, giving you plenty of opportunities to monetize the traffic you direct. Next up is Stuffed Art. Stuffed Arc successfully manages numerous toy affiliate programs over a portfolio of 5 websites. Among them are StuffedArc.com, which sells lifelike stuffed animals from over 30 manufacturers, Stuffed Legends, which specializes in plush toys like dinosaurs, dragons, and legendary characters, and Critter Socks, which caters to all your animal-themed sock requirements. Fortunately, you only need to join one affiliate network to start receiving payments from any or all of these websites. Even better, Stuffed Arc provides a 60-day cookie window and pays a handsome 10% commission on all transactions. The toy shop boasts a conversion rate that is regularly higher than 2% and increases to at least 5% during the busy holiday season. It regularly receives large commercial orders, but its average order value is a very respectable $40. Seedling is next. According to its website, Seedling is a pioneer in fun and imaginative toys. The internet store specializes in activity kits that let kids create their own unique toys and costumes and other items. These obviously aren't your typical toys. The distinctive products from Seedling incorporate virtual reality as well as cutting-edge technologies and tactile materials. And to think, when I was younger, all I needed to keep me entertained was a piece of string or a ball in a cup. You'll receive 10% of every sale you refer to the Seedling website as an affiliate marketer. You'll also have access to a personal affiliate manager to assist you. And the affiliate program also has a newsletter with information on new product releases, promotions, and business developments. Next up is Melissa and Doug. As you might have guessed, a couple named Melissa and Doug created Melissa and Doug. They invested their life savings in creating their first ever children's toy and began delivering it along the East Coast in a rented station wagon. The toy store's inventory has grown a little in recent years, and it now includes everything from traditional wooden toys to games and imaginative crafts. The website also offers more than 2,000 products in total, divided into 16 categories. Free US shipping is available from Melissa and Doug on orders of $49 or more, which might help seal the sale. Presumably, station wagon deliveries are no longer made. Although the company's affiliate program offers a respectable but unspectacular 4% commission rate and a 14-day cookie duration, keep in mind that many of its products have very high price points, which inevitably enhances your earnings potential. Next up is eBeanstalk. The goal of this toy retailer, eBeanstalk, is to assist customers in locating the best educational toys, books, and games available. Unlike some companies, those aren't just meaningless platitudes. A group of child development experts, including clinical psychologists, speech and language pathologists, physical therapists, and more than 700 moms have chosen each and every toy that eBeanstalk sells. The panel evaluated over 10,000 toys in total before deciding on their top picks, which are now displayed on the eBeanstalk website. Very impressive, but what about the affiliate program for the affiliate marketer? The 120-day cookie window is the longest of any kids' toy affiliate program we've studied and has a base commission of 5% with the possibility for top performers to earn more. Additionally, eBeanstalk gives users access to a complete data feed of 3,000 products, as well as a variety of high-quality marketing tools such as coupons, promotions, and consistently updated creative assets. Well, there you have it, the top toy affiliate programs. And we haven't even discussed Amazon Associates, which clearly sells a lot of toys, but low commission rates and a limited cookie window kept it off the list. Still, generating money online in the toy sector requires more than just picking your favorite toy makers, marketing their items, and waiting for the money to pour in. You need a good website, the correct keywords, and excellent blog posts to live the online passive income dream. I hope this was helpful to you, and if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and quickly build it into a full-time, six-figure income online, then follow the link in the description below this video for my #1 recommendation for starting an affiliate marketing business. We'll show you the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing. It includes the training and the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check out the link in the description to get started. There's no pressure. It's totally up to you. Take care.